Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace a bake element in your double oven electric range, be sure to shut off the power supply to the outlet or junction box. Pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Use a Phillips head screwdriver or a 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 2 screws to release the upper rear access panel brace. Next, unthread all of the screws securing the lower rear access panel. Lift the panel up and out to remove. If you're replacing the upper oven bake element, you will need to unthread the screws to release the vent tube. Slide the tube to the right to move it out of the way. Next, disconnect the wires from the bake element terminals. Unthread the 3 mounting screws. With the screws unthreaded, you can slide out the old element. Install the new bake element by inserting it through the rear panel. Thread and tighten the mounting screws. Connect the wires to the terminals. Reposition the vent tube and replace the screws. If you're replacing the lower oven bake element, you will need to unthread the screws to release the insulators. Next, you will need to unthread the screws to release the terminal block vent panel. Move the panel out of the way, and you can replace the lower bake element in the same manner as the upper oven bake element. With the new element in place, reposition the terminal block vent panel and secure it with the screws. Replace the 2 insulators and secure them. Replace the support cover if necessary, then reposition the rear access panel. Thread and tighten the screws to secure. Reposition the upper rear access brace and thread the screws to hold it in place. Restore power to the outlet or junction box, and the electric range should be ready for use.